Welcome to TVC's Reclamation Services, your partner in transforming landscapes and restoring natural beauty. Hydroseeding, we kickstart vegetation growth and stabilize soil with cutting-edge hydroseeding techniques, turning barren lands into lush, green environments. Slope stabilization, our innovative methods keep slopes steady and erosion-free, ensuring long-term stability and environmental protection. Rehabilitation, bringing degraded landscapes back to life. Our targeted rehabilitation efforts restore ecosystems to their natural state, nurturing nature's comeback. Surface contouring, we sculpt land to perfection, achieving desired contours and drainage patterns that boost both aesthetics and functionality of any site. Drainage system development, say goodbye to waterlogging. Our efficient drainage systems expertly manage stormwater runoff, keeping your land dry and healthy. Armoring/buttressing, reinforce and protect. We enhance stability and erosion resistance with top-notch armoring and buttressing techniques for embankments and slopes. Revegetation and seeding, promoting biodiversity and ecosystem health. Our revegetation and seeding initiatives reintroduce native vegetation, making nature thrive again. Silt fencing, safeguard your water quality during construction with our reliable silt fencing, controlling sediment runoff and keeping our waters clean. At TVC Reclamation, we're dedicated to revitalizing our environment and creating sustainable, beautiful landscapes. Let's grow something amazing together.